Hello again, welcome to Stuff and Random. Now I received some complaints on my Blender tutorials. So it says I moved into advanced too quickly and it got a lot of us confused. So I'm adopting a new strategy and here goes.
Okay, so what we'll be doing is be taking each of the modes one by one as we have them here. Object mode, edit mode, sculpt mode, vertex paint and all that. So I'll be trying my best to model, making independent videos where I model stuff with each of them independent. It's going to be tough, but I'll try. So like object mode, I'm going to model something using just object. And after that, we'll be working on these. Layout is the same as object mode, as it shows here. Modeling is the same as edit mode, and sculpting the same. And maybe we might move to editing in the subsequent videos. UV editing, texture painting, shading, animation. I must admit it will be really tough for me to do them independently, but I'll try. I'll try to do everything independently of each other. So for now, just participate and just know great stuff are coming your way. One more thing, I'll be leaving a link in the description to join my WhatsApp group where I teach Blender in detail. If you're interested and you're not already in the group, you can join. Just check the group description. That'll be all for this session. See you in the next video.